The two girls having their issue with their wardrobes, yet they can still find way to make it more funnier and witty. The MC is right. Becky has the potential to become a host because she knows how to handle such situations and make it into entertaining. Poor little Freen. I don't know why I'm laughing her while watching with the reaction here while the staff is fixing. OMG Becky almost said the most beautiful words, huh? I was shocked that Becky almost pronounced the whole phrase. They were shocked. Naughty Becky during their photo shoot. This is one of the most sweet parts of their fitting for today. The holding hands and things that makes their fans' heart flutter are just insane. Why don't you just kiss already, you two, since you've been teasing each other like this? You're just making your fans so excited to watch the whole series in the coming next month. Them enjoying to introduce the car that was prepared for them. They're over the moon while looking at the fans' effort and making the cart happen. It is very evident that fans love them unconditionally. Some of the cast are revealed for Pinpack series. Rumored says that this is Becky's best friend. Whatever friend have, it always them who share with each other. It's clear that drinks has friend's face, but Becky drank out of it also. They're the most sweetest couple I've ever seen.